Yo, what up, folks? What up, folks? Your host, the one and only, with mass exposure out here. We're at Hoover Dam. It's a gorgeous day today. It's pretty hot, and look at this spectacular view. If you guys haven't seen the movie 2012, this is where it happens, and then everything starts breaking open. UFOs are swarming everywhere. Oh no, that's the wrong movie. Let's go check it out. We got the Grub Center over there, folks. It's a gorgeous day out today. To be out today. A little sunny. We got the sunscreen. Oh, so scary. Look at that. So that's the Hoover Dam. Construction crew mascot was found as a puppy by workers at the construction camp. The dog traveled to and from the dam site with them and spent his days visiting the many work areas. On Feb 21, 1941, the life of this devoted animal came to an end. When a truck under which he was sleeping rolled over him. Oh no. The grave below was completed by workers later that same day. Aw, that's the poor puppies.
She's crying.
Oh.
It's like she knows.
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna photobomb them, huh? Then we got a little water tower. We got a cool building.
Look at his ribs.
Oh yeah.
The ball points to where the center of our sun was on September 30th, 1935, the day President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the dam. On the terrazzo floor you are standing on.
It is fitting that the flag of our country should fly here in honor of those men who, inspired by a vision of lonely lands made fruitful, conceived this great work, and of those others whose genius and labor made that vision a reality. And then, boom.
This exact location at 8:56 p.m. on the dedication date.
Then you got different cool looking stuff over here. And you got the eye right there.
And with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engine. To assist these future visitors, the sculpture is created a celestial watch.
Pretty cool, folks. Pretty cool.
26,000 years. Great year. Atomic year in astronomy terms. Significant historical change started with the completion of the Eastern Pyramids in 2700 BC. The building was a North Star. Next is the star that represents the day.
And folks, this is Hoover Dam. Come check it out. And then you got some water over there, folks. Just jump in there. Well, that's over there. That's where everything started cracking in that movie, and then they had to run. So gorgeous. And you got boats and hosts over there. And folks, that was Hoover Dam. Now we're gonna go to the lake. We're gonna go do some splishy splashes. Stay tuned, folks. Stay tuned. Mm-hmm. Now we're crossing. Don't jaywalk. See what we got over there. Oh, that's cool. And this is a famous dam. I think there was a little report, and I probably forgot about it, but one of the first questions was how many people are died or dead in here, or something like that, and through workers and stuff, they calculate like 1,200, I believe. Give you guys something to read. You guys can press pause. I think we need some of that. Alright, we've made it, folks. We've made it. Let's make it to the lake. I don't know where I'm going. PVC Beach. Alright, this way. And boom, folks, we've made it. We've made it to the lake. This little town used to be covered underwater, and you can tell it's been losing so much water. And well, it's time to go jump in. Let's go jump in. Oh, it's a cute puppies. Just grab it.